एंड वाला वो कर दो और इसको बड़ा कर दो बीच वाले बटन से। ये जो मीटिंग शुरू हो गई है।
We are done till Sanvi. Shimail, are you ready, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Shimail, which chapter?
Organism in population.
Tell me something about J-shaped growth curve.
Yes, ma'am. Please repeat the question.
Tell me something about J-shaped growth curve.
Ma'am, I don't know this question.
Beta, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
What is J-shaped growth curve? My first question.
J-shaped growth curve represents the population from increasing to decrease.
Okay. What is an
The
age pyramid?
age pyramid shows the age difference or the growth status.
What is homeostasis?
Homeostasis is homeostasis means even in the external conditions, different external conditions, the body is able to maintain that internal temperature.
How do snails escape from extreme summers? Snails.
Snails escape from summer by estivation.
Okay. Taking a lot of time. Please be quick. Next
Okay,
question. Homeostasis, you've already told me. What do you mean? Give me two examples of edaphic factors. Edaphic factors. Which determine the habitat. Edaphic factors.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
What do you mean by edaphic factors? EDAPHIC. Edaphic factors.
Ma'am, edaphic factors means which are required for the living of an organism in habitat such as temperature.
What are eurythermal species?
Eurythermal species are those species which can tolerate a wide range of temperature.
What are conformers? Last question. Conformers.
99% of the species are not able to tolerate the temperatures. Those species are called as conformers.
Okay, fine. You can leave, beta. No issues. Srishti is there? Srishti Mittal? Yes, she is there.
Good morning, ma'am.
Srishti, which chapter would you like to go for?
Ma'am, environmental issues.
Environmental issues. Okay, fine. What is BOD?
Ma'am, BOD is biological oxygen demand. Biological oxygen demand. It is calculated when the aquatic organism decompose the organic matter of the aquatic ecosystem. The oxygen ratio suddenly drops by the consumption of more organic matter.
What is smog?
Smog is
SMO.
the Smog is the combination of smoke plus fog.
What is the function of catalytic converters and where are they used?
Catalytic converters are used in automobiles and vehicles. These convert the unburnt hydrocarbons into carbon dioxide and water. These are less non-pollutant than the original vehicles. So they are suggested they should be used in the vehicles without unleaded petrols.
What do you mean by ozone depleting substance?
Ozone depleting substances are the substances which are responsible for the depletion of ozone layers, such as chlorofluorocarbons, which are mainly responsible for the depletion of ozone in the stratosphere.
Okay. What is a Dobson unit? What does it mean?
Dobson unit is a unit by which we measure the ozone depletion.
What? Last question. Define sludge.
Ma'am, I don't know this one.
Well, never mind, Srishti. Very good. You can leave.
Thank
Well
you,
done.
ma'am.
Well done. Okay, Soham is there? Soham. No. Sony? Yes, Sony is there. Chaliye, Sony, let's start. Which chapter, beta?
Ma'am, organism and population.
Organism. What are urea-line species?
Ma'am, urea-line species are those species which can tolerate a wide range of salinity.
Fine. And then what are thermohaline?
Ma'am, urethermal. Ma'am, please repeat.
Thermohaline species. Any idea?
Ma'am, stenohaline.
Give me an example of commensalism.
Ma'am, commensalism refers to the where one species is benefited or one is neither harmed or benefited. Example for this, barnacles and cattles between them.
What are xerophytes?
Ma'am, what?
Xerophytes. What are xerophytes?
Ma'am, small plants.
Small plants, they're called xerophytes. What do you mean by natality?
Ma'am, it's sorry, ma'am, microorganism.
Okay.
I'm a little bit confused in that.
Well, it's okay. What do you mean by natality?
Ma'am, natality refers to the total births in a period of time.
Fine. Good. Last question for you, beta. What is the difference between a predator and a parasite?
Ma'am, predator is one who kills the prey and eats it, while parasite does not kill the host. Its host. It just eats the organism in the living.
Yes, Sony, very good. You can leave it. Absolutely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, after Sony, we have Vaidehi. Is she there? Vaidehi Singh. I can see her in the meeting. Am I audible? Vaidehi, you were there in the previous meeting also. When I took the attendance, you were there. Anyways, we'll pass on. Vivek Raj. Not there. Akash, would you like to go for it now? Aryan Raj first. Aryan Raj is there. Has he joined? No. Akash Yadav, are you ready now?
Yes, ma'am. Ready. Ma'am, chapter 2.
Ah, it's finish it off, beta. Whatever you know about it. Akash, which chapter?
Ma'am, chapter 2, ecosystem.
Want to go for ecosystem? Define ecosystem.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Define ecosystem.
Ma'am, ecosystem. Ma'am, I'm not able to remember.
Name the two components of ecosystem.
Ma'am, habitat and Nike.
What is habitat?
Ma'am, habitat is the area of an organism affected by biotic and abiotic factors.
How is it different from a Nike?
Ma'am, it is a component of, ma'am, Nike is a component of habitat. Ma'am, Nike is the physical abiotic space occupied by an organism.
Give me two examples of abiotic components of ecosystem.
Abiotic component, temperature, light, water.
Fine, good. What is primary productivity?
It is the rate of biomass produced. Biomass produced before the process of respiration.
Okay, good. What is a food chain and a food web?
Food web is like a collection of many food chains. Food chain is like food chain. A higher, the lower organism gets eaten by the higher organism. Like grass is eaten by
Good, beta. It's
deer.
okay. Chalega, good. You can go and prepare for other subjects. You can leave the meeting. Ananya is
Ma'am?
already done.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Anshul,
you have disabled. Ma'am, you have disabled Vaidehi's mic. She is unable to speak. That is why.
I don't think I've done it, dear. Let me check out though. Just tell her to check out and let me know. Anshul Verma, by the time. Anshul,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
ready now? That's
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Finish it. Anshul, yes.
Ma'am, environment.
Environmental issues.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Give me three sources of water pollution.
Ma'am, three sources of water pollution are industries, the sewerage system, and the drainage system.
What is global warming?
Ma'am, global warming is a gradual change in temperature of the earth due to a result of pollution. That is also caused by, ma'am, the effect of greenhouse gases that are increasing.
What is eutrophication, Anshul? Eutrophication. Vaidehi, now you are able to speak?
Ma'am, eutrophication is the algal bloom over water.
Okay, Vita, you told me about eutrophication. That is good. What is incineration?
Ma'am, incineration is the process in which hospital waste is burnt at 1,000 degrees Celsius.
Good. Last question for you. What is biological magnification?
And biological magnification is the process in which toxins from another organism is transferred into another other organism by consumption of the organism, and it continues with the food chain.
Good, very good. You can leave. Anshul can leave. Akash can leave. Those who are
Thank you,
done
ma'am.
can leave. Okay, Vita, God bless. Please prepare yourself for other subjects. We have an ASL in the next period. You can leave and prepare yourself for ASL. Ayush Patel?
Ma'am,
Signal
What we have
network.
to do in that?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just give you a topic. You have to speak on that. Ayush Patel, are you ready? Is your audio okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
3 questions I had already done. I need to ask only 2 more. Which chapter were we doing?
Ma'am, organism population.
Okay. What are conformers?
Ma'am, ma'am, 99% of the animals are not able to maintain their body temperature. The animals which are not able to maintain, they are called conformers. Ma'am,
Vaidehi, are you able to speak now?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. If there's anybody having a problem, then leave and join again. That is the only option we have. Okay. Last question for you, Ayush. What are regulators?
ma'am, regulators. Uh, Ma'am, in regulators, ma'am, the organisms maintain their body temperature by regulating their ma'am, they regulate by they maintain themselves by regulating the temperature and osmotic pressure of fluid.
Okay, very good. Since one question went a little haphazard, let me give you another chance. What is algal bloom? And is it good or is it bad?
What, ma'am?
What is algal bloom? Algal bloom. Any idea?
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. You can leave. I think we've already asked you a few questions from this. It's absolutely okay. Fine.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
3
ma'am.
questions I've already done in the previous session with you. We'll move on further now. Let me see who all are left. Ayush Patel is done. Next in the sequence is Mahi, you already done, beta? Mahi and
Ma'am, there
Srishti.
were some issues. Ma'am, there were some issues, so I was not able to answer.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है. Ritul is already done. Ritul, you can prepare yourself for ASL for the next period. You can leave better. And Srishti, you've also done. Srishti can also leave. Ritul and Srishti, both of you leave. Prepare yourself for the next period ASL. Come on next. Vedehi, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vedehi, which chapter?
Ma'am, environmental issues, last chapter.
Okay. Why is CNG a better fuel compared to
Ma'am,
diesel and petrol?
CNG is a better fuel, first of all, because it is cheaper. Secondly, no left out is left there, so it does not cause much pollution. Also, it does not release toxic gases which affect the environment.
No left out means?
When it is burnt, no remains are left out.
Okay. Now I've understood what you were saying. Give me one method for controlling solid waste soil pollution.
Ma'am, solid waste soil pollution can be by incinerators. We can burn the waste. Also, we can use landfill method, in which a deep hole is created and the waste is put into it, and again it is covered with mud. But this is not very successful because of a lot of waste generated in these days.
What is
Also,
senescence of a water body? What do you mean by senescence of a water body?
senescence of the water body means the degradation of the water bodies by accumulation of mud and silt over a long period of time.
Mud and silt.
Mud, silt, and other waste materials also.
Give me 2 harmful effects of ultraviolet exposure on humans.
Ultraviolet exposures, DNA and protein present in the human beings have chemical bonds between them. These ultraviolet radiations break those chemical bonds, and due to which we can have various ailments of skin, such as skin cancer, aging of the skin. It can also affect the cornea of the eyes, causing snow blindness, which means inflammation of cornea, and also cataract.
Define sludge.
sludge is the waste product from industries or household which contains solid waste, semi-solid waste. It could be biodegradable also and non-biodegradable waste also.
It's a combination of which two things? Like one is bacteria, which is the other one? When we say sludge, there are two things, beta. One is bacteria. What is the second thing?
Pathogens.
No, it's algae. It's a combination of bacteria and algae. What is a Dobson unit?
Dobson unit is a unit in which we measure the ozone layer, the width of ozone layer.
Fine, whether you can read, you can join us for ASL later. Yes, Mahi, you want to give again? There were some questions left, some network problem now. Mahi,
Ma'am,
yes, 2 questions you had already done, beta. Which chapter? Which chapter did you prepare, beta?
biodiversity and conservation.
Biodiversity and conservation. Define
Yes.
biodiversity.
Ma'am, variety of flora and fauna found in a geographical area is known as biodiversity.
Name 2 abiotic components of biodiversity.
Abiotic components.
Okay, never mind. Give me one threat to biodiversity. Any one action which is a threat to biodiversity.
Ma'am, habitat loss and fragmentation.
Okay. What is red data book?
And-
Class?
Sorry,
Red.
ma'am.
What is red data book? Any idea what is red data book?
Ma'am, it contains all the data related to how many species of animals found till now.
Okay, fine. Chalo, fine, Mai. You can go and prepare yourself for ASL. Join me in the next period for English ASL. Pragya, you're there
Okay,
today now?
thank you, ma'am.
Pragya,
Yes,
which
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Dear, which chapter? Which chapter have you prepared, beta? I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, organism and population.
Now it's okay. Now I can hear you. That's better. Organisms and population.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What do you mean by euryhaline species?
Ma'am, euryhaline species are those species that can tolerate the high amount of salinity in the water.
Okay, that is better. Next, what do you mean by osmoregulation?
Ma'am, sorry, what?
What is osmoregulation?
Ma'am, osmoregulation is, ma'am, that like humans can maintain their body temperature to survive in the if there is a high temperature, then they can maintain their body temperature up to normal to survive. And if there is a low temperature, then they can maintain the normal body temperature to survive in that condition also.
What is population density?
Population density. Ma'am, the number of population, the number of death rates and the birth rates.
What is an age pyramid?
Ma'am, age pyramids. Ma'am, I don't know this one.
Never mind, but the last question for you. What is the plankton?
Ma'am, plankton are the species of the plants which lives in the water.
Not animals? Only plants?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
animals? Only plants?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay,
small
good.
plants. Yes.
Yes. Okay, Pragya, you can also leave. Join us in the ASL in the next period.
Thank you,
Shazer?
ma'am. Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
beta. Right.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Which chapter, Piche?
Ma'am, chapter 13, organism and population.
Organisms and population. What is commensalism?
Ma'am, in commensalism, one species is benefited and other nor benefited nor harmed.
Okay. What do you mean by mortality rate?
Mortality. Ma'am, number of death per in a particular age. Ma'am, number
Name
of
one.
death.
ठीक है बेटा, it's okay. Name one plant which is a insectivorous plant.
Insectivorous plant. No, I don't remember.
Never mind. What is mycorrhiza?
Mycorrhiza. Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
mutual relations between fungi and algae.
Okay, fine. What are endotherms?
No, ma'am, no idea.
No idea?
No.
Sorry, never mind. Last question for you. What are the 3 layers of the atmosphere?
Ma'am, troposphere.
Hmm. Troposphere is correct.
I don't remember. Stratosphere.
Chalo, never mind. I'll give you one chance because you got one question wrong. Can you give me the formula for calculating population density?
I don't know. Sorry.
Formula for calculating population density, any idea?
Ma'am, I'll try.
It's okay. Never mind. Beta, try and attend classes, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo, ठीक है. Go. God bless. Join me for ASL in the next period. Okay, bye, beta. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, bye. Yes, Krish? You have joined in biology class?